I just turned 3 text descriptions into full cinematic video clips. No camera, no actors, no editing software, just typing. This AI tool called Runway Gen-4 claims it can do what used to take film crews weeks, in minutes. So I'm testing it live. By the end, you'll see 3 real projects and know if this actually delivers, or if it's just hype. Ready? Let's test it. All right, so what is Runway Gen-4? It's an AI model released in March 2025 that generates video from text prompts and reference images. The big deal? Character consistency. You upload one image, and it keeps that character looking the same across different scenes, lighting conditions, and camera angles. Let me show you what that actually means. Just click the link in the description to sign up. You'll land on a clean interface where you can start generating immediately. So here's what Gen-4 can actually do. First, text-to-video generation. You write a detailed prompt describing your scene, the action, lighting, camera angle, mood, and Gen-4 generates a video clip. Currently, you can create 5 or 10-second clips. The more specific your prompt, the better your results. Now, generating a single clip is cool, but what if you need the same character across multiple scenes? That's where Gen-4's real power shows up. Character consistency is the standout feature. Upload a single reference image, and Gen-4 maintains that character's appearance across multiple generations. Same face, same overall look, even in completely different environments and lighting. This solves one of the biggest problems in AI video, making the same character appear in different shots without morphing into someone else. But characters aren't the only thing you might want consistent. What about locations, objects, or visual styles? That's where reference-based generation comes in. You can use reference images for locations, objects, and visual styles. Want a specific aesthetic? Provide a reference, and Gen-4 incorporates those elements while following your text instructions. Quick pause. If you're finding this useful, hit subscribe. I test AI tools like this every week so you don't have to waste time on ones that don't work. Now, everything I've shown sounds impressive, but here's the honest truth, what the marketing won't tell you. Generation time. Each clip takes several minutes to generate, not seconds. Plan for multiple attempts because your first result won't always match your vision. Physics imperfections, complex movements, especially hands and fine details, can still look off. The model handles realistic motion well, but it's not flawless. Prompt interpretation. Sometimes Gen-4 interprets your prompt differently than intended. Specific prompts help, but expect trial and error. Cost consideration. Higher quality generations use more credits. Budget accordingly for extensive projects. So does it live up to the hype? For quick concept videos, social media content, and creative mock-ups? Yes. It's fast, the results are surprisingly polished, and character consistency is genuinely impressive. But let's be real. It's not replacing Hollywood productions. Complex physics sometimes glitch. Hands and fine details can look off, and you'll still need editing software for final production work. Bottom line, if you need fast video prototypes, creative concepts, or consistent character footage for projects, Gen-4 delivers. If you need pixel-perfect, broadcast-ready footage, you're still going to need traditional production methods, at least for now. Link to try it is in the description. There's a free tier to start. Now here's the thing. Gen-4 is great for generating footage, but what about creating the marketing assets for your AI-generated content? That's where tools like LoveArt come in. I tested it for creating brand designs in minutes. Check that video out next to complete your AI content toolkit. Drop a comment. What AI video scenario should I test next? Because new tools are dropping constantly, and I'm reviewing all of them. Thanks for watching.